Hi friends in Guilford, it's Ashley Allen with Equipped. I've been hosting the Guilford County Administrators PLC, and we've taken a break this summer, but it's time to say welcome back, and I wanted to share a few things with those of you who haven't been with us before, and a little surprise at the end too, and some save the dates. We are getting back in action. For those of you who haven't joined us before, I wanted to tell you a little bit of what that's all about. The Guilford County Administrators PLC is an informal group who, in March of 2020, in response to COVID, we started offering Zoom meetings. Come when you can, join if you want to, join 5 minutes, stay around, hang out. And it was really because a lot of administrators needed some answers. And not only answers, but we quickly discovered that we were really in isolation and people just needed to talk and ask questions and have a chance to be with peers outside the building while not leaving the building. It has turned into quite a large list of folks that just continued to show up. And I serve as the host in a sense. Every week, if there's anything I can give you updates on, from policies to local organizations, those sorts of things, but everything else is structured by the group. If you've got a burning question, bring that, share, see what other folks have to say. We've taken a break this summer because it's the first time since March of 2020 that people have really had a chance, I think, to try to live some sort of resemblance of back in the day. Being out a little bit more and just being busy with summer things, we've taken a break, and I've missed folks, but we're going to gear back up. And based on some feedback I've heard, we've been meeting every Thursday at 9:30 in the morning, and I'm still going to offer doing that. We are going to kick back off on the first Thursday in September. It is come when you can and informal, but I'm also going to try once a month a nighttime meeting at 7. Because the morning time doesn't work for everybody that's on the list, and some folks just really wanted to show up and talk. So I'm going to try this. We'll see how it goes, and if there's a great showing for it, then we'll continue on with that too. So who's in the group? Well, me, I'm at the bottom. I'm Ashley. I'm with Equipped. I'm the Work Environment and Compensation Coordinator, so that means all things adult work environment, policy, communication, compensation, and all of the above. I started this, as I said, as a way for folks to get together and talk, but we have kind of molded into a small community, and it consists of me and the program administrators at the top. We have 1 or 2 family child care home owners who are on the list too that want to get updates. So we are not exclusive only to administrators, but this is mostly a group for those who are in leadership roles in early childhood programs. I would say Guilford, but we also have 1 or 2 folks nearby that we know and love that have joined in to be on the list and show up occasionally too. I also have connected more over time with local organizations, and every now and then we'll have a guest speaker who comes to talk about a new project or a new opportunity, services that might be available to you at no cost in your program. And then I also like to share opportunities, whether that is related to upcoming grants or advocacy opportunities. We've had some local and state representatives come and join us and hear the experiences of what you all are going through. And we're still open to expanding to new ideas too. So why join the group? Well, these are just some comments of administrators who participate regularly. I would say the biggest thing is peer connections and having an open space that you can come into for 5 minutes to vent, 20 minutes to just be around your peers, talk, gain some information, new knowledge, get your questions answered. And if it's something that we can't answer in the moment, I promise I'm going to go figure out who can. So what do you need to do? Join the email list. The way this works is on Thursday mornings, I'll send a Zoom link to the email list. If you can join, we would love to see you. If you can't join, I'll always send out notes afterwards with any links or resources that we covered. And you can always look back at the notes. Feel free to contact me, email me if you have questions. And like I said, for this year, we're going to try a new p.m. meeting once per month. Right now, those two are tentatively scheduled for September 22nd and October 27th. And how do you do that? Email me or call me. I'll add you to the list. I'd love to talk to you. And last but not least, a final surprise. I call this the Wheel of Names. It's everyone who completed an end-of-year survey to give me and our partnership some feedback on what this process is like. And the lucky winner of a $25 gift card today, drum roll please. Oh, that was by a hair. Dana Penix at Piedmont Global. Dana, I'll be seeing you soon. I have a gift to drop off. And for the rest of you, please email me or call me. I'll add you to the list, and I look forward to seeing you soon.